In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in Zoho projects. Whether you're managing a large team or just keeping track of your personal to-dos, knowing how to effectively add tasks can make a big difference in staying organized and on track. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once it's open, type Zoho into the search bar. Hit Enter on your keyboard, and you should see a list of search results. You're looking for the official Zoho website, so go ahead and click on the first link that appears, or the one whose URL includes zoho.com. Once on the Zoho homepage, you'll need to either log in with your existing credentials or sign up for a new account if you haven't already done so. If you're new, don't worry, the sign-up process is straightforward and just requires a few basic details. After you're logged in, look for the option to access Zoho projects. You can usually find this under the App menu. Click on Projects to proceed. Within Zoho projects, you'll see a number of options, and now you're going to select a project that you'd like to work on. This can be done either from the left-hand panel or by navigating through the Projects tab located at the top of your screen. Once your chosen project is open, direct your attention to the top navigation band where you'll find several tabs. You need to click on the Tasks tab. This takes you to the place where you'll be managing all your tasks. If you're viewing your tasks in List View, the next step is to look towards the upper right corner of your screen, where you'll see the option to Add Task. Click on this, and a new window or form will open, prompting you to enter details for your new task. Go ahead and fill in the task name. This is essential, as it helps identify the task at a glance. You can also complete any other fields that might be relevant, such as the task description, assigning it to a specific team member, and choosing which task list it should belong to. Don't skip these details since they provide clarity and ensure everyone on your team knows what's expected. After you've filled out all the necessary information, you're almost there. Simply click Add to save your new task. In case you have a number of tasks to enter and want to continue working efficiently, there's an Add More option. Selecting this lets you immediately add another task without having to repeat any navigation steps. And that's it. You now know how to add tasks in Zoho projects. By following these steps, you can confidently keep your project timelines organized and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Zoho projects effectively.